So in this video, I just want to expand a little bit on questions 4 on activity 3J and 4 on activity 3K. So I skipped over them during my initial videos, but with a couple of questions about the expanded notation coming from you guys, I'm going to just talk specifically about the expanded notation and what it would look like to do addition and subtraction with expanded notation. So expanded notation is where instead of writing 147 with knowing that this is hundreds and this is tens and this is ones, we actually write it out as 1 times 100, 4 times 10, and 7 times 1. So the coefficients or the digits in the number are the multipliers, and the place values are in the parentheses. So we're literally just expanding that. So we're doing the same with 195, and in the addition we would simply add. So we would have 12 ones and 13 tens and 2 100s. So that it would be the addition of these place values, but then we know that we could regroup. So 12 ones is actually 2 ones and an extra 10, so it would be 14 tens. So that could also be regrouped with the 14 tens. We could also regroup that, so it's 2 ones and 4 tens and another 100. So that would be using expanded notation in to add large numbers. So this is getting a little bit closer to those partial sums that we were talking about, but it's really creating that connection between the base 10 blocks and the abstract form in a much more discrete, concrete way. So let's look at the same thing for 125 minus 68. So we could rewrite, well, if we just subtract 5 ones minus 8 ones, we don't have enough loose ones to subtract. So we could say that instead I'm going to regroup, and I'm going to take one of these tens and split them up. So now I would have 15 ones. Now then I would have 1 10 left, and I don't have enough loose tens to subtract 6, but I could regroup these tens, so giving me 11 tens in total. So it'd be 11 tens plus 15 tens is 125. So and then we could subtract 11 tens minus 6 tens is 5 tens, and 15 ones minus 8 ones is 7 ones. So that would be 57. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that shows you the connection between the base 10 blocks and the expanded notation.